Hey guys, so here it is, the one showing off Xiaomi's years of innovation, one against OnePlus 9 Pro and Galaxy S21 Ultra, the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. So yeah, these images came from TechBuff Philippines, and all I can say is this device is a monster. It's something beyond our imagination. I never saw this coming. So on front you get a 6.8 inches quad curve OLED display slightly larger than the Mi 11 and has a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. So I guess from 11Hz to 120Hz it's gonna provide a smooth experience and save battery as well. So yeah, the front design looks nice and we still have a small punch hole on top left corner and Gorilla Glass Victus on top, so scratches and drop protection is there. Now what's shocking is the rear design. It contains a huge and thick camera module. Yeah, that is even thicker than the S21 Ultra bump I guess. So the reason behind this is a secondary small display which is like a viewfinder for back camera. You can take selfies from back camera too. It is like a DSLR with a mini display, and I think with the MIUI 12.5 this small display can also show some notifications and time. So not that useful, but it is cool. Second factor adding to this thickness is we have 50 megapixel main, 48 megapixel super wide and 48 megapixel periscope camera with an insane 120x super zoom. This could do a 10x optical just like the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and I think they are using IMX766 in main and OmniVision Sense and Rest too. So yeah, that rear design itself is insane. In terms of the internal specifications, we have Snapdragon 888 5G CPU, which is an amazing silicon based on 5nm process and a huge 5000 mAh battery with 67 watts of fast wired and 67 watts of fast wireless charging. Yeah, I guess they are using a dual cell battery to make it charge really fast. Now shocking part is this is the very first Xiaomi flagship to come with IP68 rating, so a true flagship indeed with all the next level flagship specifications. Xiaomi's flagship speakers are really good and this one in the Mi 11 Ultra is no different. And yeah, it is coming in two colors, white and black. The black one matches the camera module and bump, and if you want to flex you can pick the white one just like what I am going to do. Xiaomi is about to launch it in March and the pricing is gonna be a little expensive than what we have seen so far, but those specifications and design looks mind blowing. So this is all guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.